Hello, kids! Let's play a guessing game. Guess the animal. It is big. It has a long nose. It is gray. Can you guess the animal? It is elephant. It is small. It has 4 legs. It says woof woof. Can you guess the animal? It is a dog. It is soft. It says meow. It likes milk. Can you guess the animal? It is a cat. It is big. It is orange and black. It is fast. Can you guess the animal? It is a tiger. It gives milk. It says moo. It is big. Can you guess the animal? It is a cow. Great job! You are amazing! See you next time! Bye!